Okay, they say that God made the world in six. So when you say six, what is the meaning of six? 6 days, 6 nights, six what? Right. So let's assume that it was like six sections. Okay, so say I want to make a human, right? So Shift A, add a UV sphere. Where's the, yeah, it's gonna go to six segment, six rings. So this is the basic proportion. So yeah, this is the human head. Okay, the basic human head. Right. So and then the neck should be like a cylinder. So Shift A, add a cylinder. So make it six. Six. There it is. See. Yeah. So it's the neck. Something like that, right? So we can make it something like smaller, like that. Make it longer, a bit like that. Okay. It's always Y. Y is here, so it should be like that. Okay. So this is one. You see, it's almost to the extent, you know. When you say it's a simple word, you know, God made the world in six. So with these two, right? So this is the front body, right? Torso. See? See? And then the it's a bit off here. Okay. Found this one. Yeah. Almost there, you know. It could be like that, you know. Or Y. See? Almost there. We can add this to the let's see, we get a scale on 00101. Small size, yeah. See, it's the shoulders, like that, and follow its rotation. Yeah. So the rest you know, right? So we can get this from here, like that. Oh, sorry. Oh, I pressed the wrong button there. Yeah. A bit like that. No, yeah. So this is the basic shapes. You know, we can just add this one, use this one. Make it bigger like that. You know. Almost there to the extent, you know, but if there's another one, I think it should go this way. Yeah, like that. Almost like that one. It's the location of the y actually, not x. Nope. It's the location of the x, not y. Hold on. Is it not on the same? Oh yeah, there you go. See? Almost there. So can get the butt you know, correctly, right? But you know what I mean, right? So this is the basic shapes, you know, from an actual human. And from here, you know, you can just make anything with it. This is the basic shapes, you know, the proportions of humans from the what you call basic figures, you know, because sometimes people are they just struggle about the proportion. What is the proportions of this and that in the human bones, the structures, muscular, everything, you know. This is the way to do it, you know. See, I can add the butt here, you know, just oh, sometimes I a bit struggle here, like that, you know. Make it RY, yeah, like that. Just the butt goes there. Yeah. See, almost. We can just negative here and just put negative here. Yeah, just the butt there. See? Yeah, that's the proportion. You know, you can get it almost accurately. You know, just here, and then from here, right? You can get a model and just do this shrink wrap, or you can make a basic shape from here. The actual human. How is it gonna look like? Very simple. Yeah.